somebody wanted to see this son of a bitch tore apart. So, let's take it apart. See what makes her chooch. How long is that freaking screw? Yeah, there she is. Good God almighty, them tiny little fins. But, yeah, now that I don't like. Wasn't sealed tight enough to keep the thermal paste from seeping up in there. Lots of little bitty fins. And, well, it didn't get past the O-ring, so I guess it's not too bad. No kind of channeling. Some kind of schmoo. Not bad. There's more screws, so we'll take them out. Ah, okay. Little piece of plexiglass and that. Yeah, and does it come out? It comes out. Alrighty. Yeah, no more screw holes, no more screws. I don't know how in the hell they got them boards in there. Yeah, they're in there. 3 little LEDs on each side. Nothing fancy there. No kind of channeling. Just the fins, and that's all she wrote. Yep. Yep. You want to see it tore down? There you go. Have at it.